Hello students, hope you all are good. Today we will do a craft on the theme of Independence Day. So we need some material like tricolor sticks. I'll make it with the orange or green color, and you can also take straw and color on it, and I'll take some cardboards and cut into a circular shape. Now I will paste it and arrange it like this. So I need to cover this, so I need white paper to cover it. First I'll take white paper, then paste on it with the glue. Then I'll cut a circle with help of scissor. And now I will arrange both the layers. Like this. Now I'll take a big stick. You can also take straw and one white sheet, one orange strip. First of all, I'll just paste the orange strip like this, and after that I will paste the green like this. Now I will cut the extra sheet and the center circle you can also paste this, but it's little difficult to paste it. But you can also make a hole in the cardboard, then you can put your straw into it. Now for small sticks, I'll just mark the area and going to paste it. You can also take ice cream sticks if it's easily available at home. Now here I'm going to make a chain with the help of paper loops. For this, what we need to do, we have to take strips and join the ends like this. Now again one more loop and paste it and lock it. So like this I'll prepare all the chains. I need 5 chains to connect each and every stick. So here I'll connect it with the help of glue gun. You can also take glue drops or Fevicol, but Fevicol takes little more time than glue drops and glue gun. So here one is pasted, another one is going to be pasted. If you have tricolor ribbon, you can also paste that. But chain is also a very easy craft, so you must try this. So as you see that our flag is ready, you can keep it on your table or gift it to your father for their office, and it looks so beautiful. Thank you.